Girlies, have you ever been challenged to bring a carry-on and a personal bag on a 7-day cruise plus stays in Florida? I took the challenge on, but I did not like it. Because girlies, carry-ons are just for shoes and personal items only. I started wondering how I was gonna fit all those clothes in this bag. That's not gonna work. So I went online and found the perfect bag that's TSA approved. Let me start this video by saying this is not a paid promotion. Therefore, I'm only going to give you a rough draft of what the bag features. The name of the bag is Fanwali Vacuum Travel Backpack. This is a 3-in-1 composite Oxford fabric, tear resistant, stain proof, and highly water resistant fabric to handle heavy usage and rain. Mud and dirt easily wipe off with a damp cloth. The front section features a dedicated laptop sleeve for quick access front or rear laptop compartment. Fits up to 16-inch to 17.3-inch laptops and tablets, plus a mesh sleeve for small items. The coolest feature is the TSA approved dual lock. Features a dual-headed combination lock that can secure both the main clothing compartment and the tech compartment simultaneously. It has a anti-theft zipper, rain-resistant zippers with sealed closure to protect against quick-fingered theft and weather exposure. Now for the main compartment, there is a detachable sealed vacuum bag built into the main compartment with airtight zippers, valves, and maintain the seal during transit. If I was to rate this bag, this is where the ratings would fall dramatically. This electric pump did not do what it was supposed to do. It comes with all the adjustment pieces, but you'll see for yourself. In my opinion, I think this should have sucked the bag in so tightly with nothing being in it, and it didn't. So moving on. This bag is airline carry-on compliant. Standard size is approximately 17.4 inches by 11.8 inches. It's designed to fit in overhead bins or meet standard carry-on rules. It has a wet and dry separation pouch, as you can see. It has a honeycomb mesh strap, breathable padded shoulder straps designed to evenly distribute weight across your back. Now that I've solved the bag issue, the big task is figuring out how to fit my heavy, bulky clothes in the bags. I decided on buying sportswear. They fold perfectly and allows room for more clothes. You know your girl is not a model. Don't judge. These are just some of the outfits for the cruise. When I tell you I overpacked this bag, it was holding on for dear life. But I had absolutely no issues at the airport. I traveled with American Airlines and they allowed a carry-on plus a personal backpack and no issues at all. Okay, let's get into this video. We are traveling to Miami, Florida to board a mega ship. Yes, I said it, a mega ship, a 7 days cruise in the Caribbean, and we are all about it, and we want to take you on this journey. Come along. Yeah.
Wait here. Gas is ready. I have a remote boarding device in my hand. So if we can have groups 1, 2, and...
I don't know.
Carousel.
Yeah, I do get confused. Ray, we're at the airport. wait, I'm falling. This is it.
Yeah. Here you go, honey bunny. Now we're doing it. We're doing it right, ain't we? Wow. We are in the mix. Which park's right here?
I don't know, but where we're at, honey?
Downtown Miami.
Yeah,
That's
Miami,
where we're at.
baby.
Just getting us started. Just getting us started.
This is where we're staying at.
Yeah, pan up. It just keeps going.
We're staying at the Grayson.
Right across from Frost Science.
Yeah,
I
sign.
don't really know anything down here. There's SkyX.
Yep.
Yeah, we're in the middle of downtown. We're gonna figure out where we are. We're gonna probably go for a walk.
All right, let's go get checked in.
Oh gosh.
Small luxury hotel of the world. Yeah. I am sorry, but I'm not going to give you a room tour. I have a all entire video that features the room and this hotel, so you have to wait for that video to come out. But look at what we woke up to in the morning. views were amazing, and then we made our way to breakfast. Then we decided to visit the park next door, and there is a walkway dedicated to dogs and cats, sculptures only.
In my shades, riding low and slow, this vibe never fades. Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every...
To top the day off, we took a boat ride to see the luxury homes in Miami and the city skyscrapers. Then we took a quick bite and then head back to the hotel and relaxed in the pool. I have tons of videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.